Good morning. I wanted to take a minute to show all teachers who gave an SLO pre-test using a bubble sheet in Unify how to collect your scores and look at individual student data. So I'm starting off on the Elbert County High School page. From there, you click for staff, and then you roll down to the bottom. It's the last link. It's called Unify. Click Unify. It's going to take you to the Unify web page. If it doesn't already log you in, it is your same Google credentials to log in. From yours, by the way, will look a little bit different than mine on this home screen because I don't have classes. From there, you're going to go to Reports up top and then go down to Student Item Analysis. Once you do that, you have a drop-down menu that allows you to choose which test you gave. For these purposes, I'm just going to choose the first one on the list, which is an Intro to Business pre-SLO. And your top portion will give you overall class. It gives you school and district data, but we're the only school in the district, so that's why it's all under one bar. You notice it's all red, but that's typical in a pre-test because most of your students don't know what you're about to teach them. If you roll a little bit further down, you see your individual student names and their percentages that they scored on that test. If you roll over, you see how they did on individual questions. And if you roll down to the bottom, it lets you go as far over as you need to see every question. So if you wanted to export those, you can click this button right here and export them to an Excel spreadsheet if you wanted them. That way you could sort it however you wanted. There's lots of different ways to use the data. For one, just the green and red is helpful because it lets you see what questions overall your class did well on. Just looking at this little section right here, number 3 seems to be a question that a lot of students already knew, whereas number 8 was a question that hardly anybody in the class knew. So that is how you collect your pre-SLO scores and collect the data. Thank you.